Hey guys, welcome to Pinetree Line. My name is Doug. This is my good buddy Jamie. Big part of the channel, has been for many, many years, and he is our Blackstone expert. How's it going, brother?
How you doing, Dougie?
Good to see you.
Great to see you.
All right, what are we having today, James?
Do you remember a while back when we did our moose burger?
Absolutely. How can I forget the moose burger video?
Today we don't have moose, but we're still going to recreate a homemade hamburger. This is the first initial cook of the 17 with the hood.
Unfortunately, we're not outside. We have been outside and inside throughout the day today.
It was hailing 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, and literally I'll throw in a shot of the weather we've been dealing with. So we decided to do the cooking video inside. We do have good ventilation here. This is Jamie's beach house and deck outside on his property here. It's a great spot to be able to do this because we have lots of ventilation.
And there's plenty of wind coming through here today, so
Yeah.
it's not, ventilation is not going to be a problem. And we have cooked down here before. Actually, we did the chicken wings down here.
Yeah. So check our Blackstone playlist. You'll see that video too.
Absolutely.
All right, let's get going.
All right, guys. So we got our ground beef here, and first things first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a couple eggs. Do some salt and pepper. We got some fresh panko. Should open that ahead, huh? Some Parmigiana. I like the Parmigiana. Parmigiana's good.
Me too.
Oh yeah. We got some garlic powder. Some wild whiskey. Never tried it before, so why not, eh? We'll throw some of that in there too. Just like that, guys. Okay, Doug, there's your hamburger.
Right on. Beautiful.
Okay, so
How do you decide how big your burgers will be?
well, I'd say about the palm of your hand. That's a good, these are pretty thick too. Normal burgers are
Right.
But I'd say about the size of your hand. When people talk about their meal, when they eat a steak or eat a hamburger, it's typically about the size of your hand, roughly.
Now, Jamie, why are you flattening those burgers?
Just so they cook a little better, a little bit more consistency. When you're making homemade burgers, the thicker they are, obviously, the harder it is to get the inside, the middle cook on. Same thing applies to a steak. The thicker the cut, the harder it is to actually get it on a big steak. Even to go to medium rare is pretty tough. You got to actually cook it longer to get the inside cooked. Same idea. I'm just trying to flatten it, make it a little bit easier to cook, make it disperse a little bit better. That's all. Okay, so I'm going to be putting down some buns here in the front. So I'm just trying to get rid of some of this grease. Now naturally the grease is going to be working its way to the bottom. Just trying to get some of the grease up so that when I put the bun down, because the problem is if you don't try to get rid of some of that grease, as soon as you put the bun down, it's going to want to soak up that grease. Okay, so we just peeled off the buns. Now we're going to put some cheese on. We're going to see how well this actually melts. I'll put some cheese on there. Just going to pull the bacon off for now. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes. We're going to check in on that cheese and see how she's doing. If she's enough. Yeah, it's starting to turn a little bit. I think in a couple more minutes it's going to be really good to go. Alright guys. It would be nice to get some onion on that burger. Bacon on this burger. Sorry, Doug. Some jalapenos and some dill. Oh, Doug.
Looks delicious.
You can't really mess these up, guys.
You can garnish them any way you like.
You can garnish them however you want.
Good luck eating that.
Yeah.
That's why I'm going bunless.
I'm gonna have to really do some. Look at this side. Look at that. Oh man, that's crazy. And you know what? I'll have to do one of these. This will probably not look the greatest, but oh,
look at that.
That's gonna be killer.
All right, guys, looks amazing. Good job, Jamie. Awesome. I'm going bunless due to dietary reasons. Don't laugh, you know. But Jamie's going au natural.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna crush it. I don't normally eat a lot of bread. I don't. It's one thing that I did actually.
And I'm trying to stop eating so much bread.
I've changed the whole life. Anyways, I'm gonna go bun today. I'm gonna crush it and
yeah, let's give it a
see how
shot.
it is here.
I'm gonna be a little dainty here with.
Oh my gosh.
Oh wow. Thank you.
Oh,
delicious.
You
Yeah.
wow.
So good. All right, guys, we're gonna finish eating. If you want some more Blackstone recipes, information about some of the griddles that are out there, we have a playlist. It's extensive. You see a lot of Jamie on there doing his thing. He's amazing on the Blackstone. Give it a watch. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. Give us a like. There's more Blackstone in the future. Yeah. And I just want to thank Jamie for doing his thing and being here. Love it. Love it.
Awesome.
Take care, guys.
See you guys.
See you on the next one. Good. Oh, that's delicious.
Actually, that was a good bite.